Hi friends. All right, we're back for lesson 7 on our math unit. We are still working in equal groups, and today we're going to do a little bit more work on the document camera with some arrays. Now, last week I told you what an array was. Remember that. An array is just taking things and putting them in equal groups, but using horizontal rows and vertical columns. All right, well, then we are also going to add the repeated addition sentence that represents the array. That means which numbers are being added over and over again to total whatever our array is. So I'm going to go over the document camera now. And we're going to walk through problem 1A of lesson 7. Okay, try to make this a little bigger for us. Maybe, hold on friends, be patient with me. There we go, there we go. Okay, one row of an array is drawn below. So this is one row. Remember, rows are horizontal, left to right, east to west, okay? Complete the array with x's. Okay, we're gonna use x's just like this has to make 3 rows of 4. Draw horizontal lines to separate the rows. This is what they've done right here. They've given you the x's and then they've done the row right there, okay? So complete the array with x's to make 3 rows of 4. So I know here's row 1, row 2, row 3. And now each row is gonna have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that first problem is just to get you working with an array and the way that they've made it. So they draw their lines there in the middle so you can see when one row starts and one row stops. Okay, now let's do 1B. Draw an array with x's that has 3 columns of 4. Remember, it is okay to write on here, columns are vertical, they go up and down. Rows are horizontal, left to right, okay? It's okay to put that on there. So we want 3 columns. So this is column 1, 2, 3. 3 columns of 4. 4, and they want us to draw x's. Now my rows, we're not doing rows, we're not going this way, we're gonna do columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again for the 3rd column. All right, now your array should look like mine. Okay, it says draw vertical lines to separate, and that is what we've done. Vertical lines, vertical, vertical. I'm gonna make my arrow right here better. Okay, vertical lines. Now, fill in the blanks. What plus what plus what? What is our repeated addition sentence? Well, it has how many spots? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3 columns. But how many are in each column? Which number is being added over and over again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay? So it wants us to say, what is 4 plus 4? Well, I know 4 plus 4 is, you're right, 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Very good. So these 2 problems, A and B, are related, friends. Take a look at what's happened. I did 3 columns of 4, but up here I did 3 rows of 4. Okay, so these are related. There's the same in each, it's just rows, columns. So 3 rows of 4 equals what? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm counting by 3s. This is where pattern counting, skip counting really helps us, friends. And now 3 columns of 4. Well, that's the same, 12. All right, what this problem set is going to have you do is just draw an array with x's, the lines in between to show you rows, okay, or the lines in between to show you columns. All right, so go ahead and try that on your own, friends, and if it is easier to do your array by grabbing your Legos that I gave you last week and putting them into an array and then drawing it, you can go ahead and do that. Okay? All right, friends, we'll see you next time. Bye.